How cool is this? This is from Giraffe Tools. This is a wall-mounted vacuum. It comes with all the hardware to mount it up, all of the accessories. The only one problem is the hardware they send is only for mounting it into concrete. And in case you're curious, what I've done is we have concrete walls, but I created like a wood platform to mount it on. So I'm gonna have to go get some hardware to mount it up. Then we'll mount it up, try it out, see how it works for a couple weeks. Installation was super simple. I used the template to mark where to put the holes. A couple bolts drilled in there. Actually, there are a lot of bolts holding it up. But the nice thing is it's nice and steady up there. And then you simply slide the unit on the top, straightforward and easy. Now, I didn't have room to mount up the nice wall mount that it came with, but I do have this nice shelf down here. I think it's time for its first test run, right? I wanted to see how far out of my driveway I could get, and the car is parked on the total wrong side of the driveway, in the wrong position, and I still got there with this hose. I was legitimately stunned that it actually went that far. All right, so today's problem/issue is that the beautiful Miss Nikki has taken up pottery and she smashed one of her little bowls, which has like the stickiest clay ever in the world, kind of vaporized here in the back seat. And so we need to fix that. And it is so cool that I can just pull this hose out to the car. I don't have to start dragging something out or bringing something to it. We just got it and we're ready to go. I find this nozzle works great for dog hair. We'll see. I believe it's going to work great on this. Wasn't planning this demonstration. She just broke things. And it's got the Bluetooth. And it's got, I don't remember if it's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, but it's got the button right here. So you just click it. On it goes. Let's see how we do. Oh, no way. Oh, this is so great. You know what the other nice thing about this is? I'm not listening to this giant, loud vacuum cleaner on any level. Like, I've listened to it in the garage, and it really just isn't that loud in the garage. But I am all the way out here at the car, so there's essentially close to, obviously, you can hear the microphone. I'm talking to you now while I do this work. And there's almost no noise. It is like really super cool. I cannot believe how well this is working, to be honest. I did expect it to pick this stuff up, but this is like when you go to the car wash and they have the commercial vacuums for the patrons. This is working every bit as well. Okay. There's no answer here other than this is freaking perfect. This is so cool. I didn't expect this demo. I didn't expect this demo to work this well. This is ridiculous. I hope this has been helpful. You're really going to enjoy this. I will see you next time.